immigrant visa versus a green card. What is the difference between an immigrant visa and a green card? Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez. Scroll down into the description. It's free to send me an email. A green card is the official document that gives you lawful permanent residency in the United States. It allows you to live, work, and build your life in the US without needing to worry about renewing a visa. Over time, it allows you to apply for a US citizenship if you meet the requirements. Think of the green card as a permanent permission to stay in the US. If you're a business owner or looking to start a business in the US, this is extremely important. A green card lets you focus on growing your business and living in the United States without the stress of visa renewals or worries about your legal status. So what is an immigrant visa? An immigrant visa, on the other hand, is a temporary authorization that allows you to enter the United States with the goal of eventually obtaining a green card. Here's how it works. If you're applying for a green card from outside the United States, you'll need an immigrant visa to enter the country. You'll go through an interview at an embassy or consulate in your home country. If the embassy approves your application, they will stamp your passport with an immigrant visa. Now, this is not a green card yet, even though the word immigrant can be confusing. It's just the first step. The immigrant visa allows you to travel to the US, but once you arrive and pass through Customs and Border Protection at the airport or port of entry, that's when your immigrant visa actually turns into a green card. So what happens after you get the immigrant visa? Once you've been issued your immigrant visa, you travel to the US. When you arrive, CBP, Customs and Border Protection, will review your documents, and this is when your status officially changes. The immigrant visa becomes a green card, and you'll get the physical card mailed to you shortly after. It's that simple. Your legal status changes the moment you enter the US and pass through immigration. But until you arrive and go through that entry process, you're not yet considered a green card holder, even though you've been approved for one. So why the confusion? There's a lot of confusion around this, especially with recent changes in immigration policies, such as the travel bans that were put in place by the previous administration. For example, many people who had been approved for an immigrant visa but hadn't yet entered the US found themselves stuck outside the country. They couldn't board flights or enter the US because they didn't have the actual green card yet, just the immigrant visa. This situation has affected a lot of people, and some have faced long delays with their immigrant visas even expiring before they could return to the US. If you found yourself in this situation, don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through these complexities. What does this mean for business owners? If you're a business owner or thinking about starting a business in the US, this is a critical distinction. For example, if you're planning to apply for an E2 investor visa or a green card through investment, understanding the differences between an immigrant visa and a green card are essential. The process can be long, and while you wait for your green card, you'll need to make sure that all of your immigration paperwork is in order. Here at the law firm of Marcella Dominguez, we specialize in business law and now helping you with your immigration business issues, including immigrant visas and green cards. We help entrepreneurs just like you ensure that the immigration process is running smoothly, allowing them to focus on what matters most, which is building and growing your business in the US. So how can we help you? Navigating the immigration process can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to start a business or expand your investment in the US. That's why our team is here to provide you with clear, easy to understand legal guidance. También hablamos español. So why choose us? Personalized legal support. We will tailor our services to fit your unique situation because not everyone is going through the same experience. Whether you're seeking an investor visa, you need an E2 visa, or a green card, please reach out to us. It is always free to send us an email. We want to help entrepreneurs and business owners like you commit to growing your business here in the United States or outside of the United States. We love working with international clients and helping them succeed in the US. We also understand cultural diversity and we treat every client with respect. We want to be with you every step of the way, so whether you're applying for a visa, a green card, or working through a complex immigration situation, we want to be here to help. If you're ready to move forward with your immigration case or you have questions, it is always free to send us an email. Scroll down into the description and the email is down below. We will walk you through everything you need to know and help you take the next steps toward ensuring your future in the US. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more information on business topics that matter to you. Also, hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to sign up for our free email newsletter.